Hello, in this video I am going to explain about a new course I am starting in the Unacademy Plus platform. The title of the course is Capsule Course on Averages and Mixtures. You can learn all the important concepts related to average, ratio, proportion, mixtures, etc. And the most important trick of alligation will also be taught in detail. It will be useful not only for CSIR-NET exam, all the competitive exams, this alligation trick, averages chapter and mixtures chapter is very important. So it will be useful for other competitive exams also. You can download the notes of this class after every class as PDF so that you can refer it later also. And there will be doubt clearing session after 3 class. The course will be equally useful for all science streams, whether it is life science or mathematical science or chemical science or physical science or earth science. This is a complete schedule of the course, 5 lectures, and the course is starting on June 3rd and ending on June 9th. Every session will be 1.5 hours long. 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. is the timing. This is more details of the course and this is more details of mine. And these are the other courses you can attend by taking an Unacademy Plus subscription. Parallelly, there is a practice course running and there is another course starting from June 9th. Complete course on general aptitude. New version is starting from June 9th. All those courses you can attend by a single Unacademy Plus subscription. For that, these are the procedure by which you can take an Unacademy Plus subscription. The category is CSIR-UGC net, and the referral code, if you want to get 10% off, you can use this, and the credits will give you more discount. These are the pricing available in the Unacademy Plus platform. Remember, this is not the pricing for the general aptitude section only. By this subscription, you will be able to access all the courses in CSIR-NET category, that is your subject educators courses also, general aptitude courses also, and after applying the referral code CC10, this will be the discounted pricing. And there is parallelly another course running at 8:30 a.m. You can attend that course also live with this subscription. And all other recorded courses which are completed in my profile, that also will be available for you. And these are the details of the credit option that you can redeem to get more discount. So hope to see you all in this course. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.